Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Hope everyone out there is doing wonderful today. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial on installing an outdoor light, okay? Now, this little tutorial here is what would happen if you had your electrical box that was loose and falling out, okay? I've already repaired this and I'm going to explain to you what I did. Last week when I was here, the old light that was on here was actually falling off of the house, okay? And the reason was because it's mounted to the electrical box and the electrical box was loose inside the brick. It was falling out. So let me grab the camera. I'm gonna bring you a little closer and kind of explain to you what I did to fix this. Okay folks, hey, what we done first, we had this old box that was in here. This is the new one here, but it's like one of those old Bakelite boxes from the 60s, and it was just sitting up here, and someone, I guess whoever installed it, they had a couple of wooden shims kind of holding it in place. I don't know what they were thinking back then when they done it, but it was loose and falling out. So what we did, we went by our local home improvement store, got us a brand new electrical box, okay? And it actually fit a little bit better than the old one because it was a little bit larger, okay? So we took some spray foam, and as you can see, I got a little bit of excess buildup here. I'm gonna knock a little bit of this out that oozed through the back of the box. And we filled the opening with the box and everything out. We filled the opening real good with some spray foam, and then we shoved our box in. We tapped it in until we got nice and flush out here on the edge where our light will mount flushly, okay? And then we mixed up some brick mix, just mortar mix, and we packed it in all the way around. As you can see, there's fresh mortar mix here packed in all the way around on the outside of this box. Now this box is in here solid now, and then we let it set up for about a week, and we're getting ready to make a video here in a few minutes on installing a new light fixture. So let me bring the camera back down and we'll show you what we're going to do in our next video. Okay folks, here's our brand new light, okay? We've actually already installed two of these on this home, on the front and on the side. We have it's a Maxima Spark security light, and it does have a camera on it, okay? And we're gonna make another video on installing one of these things, and we will be showing you how to get it synced in with your smartphone to where you can have access no matter where you are to whoever walks up to your house, whether it be someone delivering a package or something, or it could be someone maybe trying to do some mischievous stuff like break in your house. You will have some film coverage of that going on. All right guys, so stay tuned for the next video and we'll show you how to get this installed. Have a great day.